From the smallest of rivers and creeks to our estuaries, lakes and coastal waters, a community gathers to repair, restore and revitalise what has been lost. We are the river keepers, waterway stewards, ocean lovers that want to safeguard our waterways. By restoring habitat in our waterways, we are improving water quality, reducing erosion, reducing the impacts of bushfire, flood and drought, providing shelter for wildlife, reconnecting rivers, supporting native trees and plants and allowing our fish to thrive naturally. Our connection to communities means each project is led by local people, while our science-based approach provides innovation to our conservation efforts. Governments, corporations, communities, together we are collaborating to return our waterways to better health. We empower communities of fishers to come together and give back. Give back to where we live. Give back to the creeks we played in as children. Give back to the rivers we fish in. Give back to the fish we love catching. Give back to country. Give back to Australia's #1 pastime, fishing. Working together through the power of many hands, we show up again and again to create a better, cleaner and healthier recreational fishing future. We are here to get things done. We are OzFish.